right, y'all, welcome back to the Domino 7 show, and here with, all right, how y'all doing? Deadpool, oh, Allie loves Deadpool. How y'all, all right, how y'all doing? I ain't snapped a picture yet. Let me stop this tape. All right, I'm about to,
Yeah, picture. I've got so full.
All right, now, not about to.
I wish he put his head back on your shoulder. That was great. Love it.
I'm about to, all right, about to take a picture with this cam. What? All right. All right, wait. All right, there we go. It's going on Instagram.
That's great.
And my Facebook too.
Okay, awesome.
All right. So anyway, I forgot I was filming. What you want to say? Truth the Game, aka Randy Smith. I mean Randy TV. Damn. You know what? Truth the Game, you an idiot. Y'all want to take a pic? Oh, y'all want to take a pic? Right here. You want to take a pic? Oh, a pic.
You can't ask people that, bro.
All right. All right, let me go.
Let people you don't know like that, bro.
All right. Well, there we go. I'm putting on not on Snapchat. All right.
We call him again.
Call who? Kyle?
No.
Well, all right. I'm about to stop this tape and go on a commercial break.